Welcome back, everybody. I was at the store at Walmart, and I had this one already, on green. This is 1954 Chevrolet 3100 truck, and also, since I had this one already, I found the gray one. Same thing. Actually, this one is 1953 Chevrolet 3100 truck. So this is 1953. The green one is 1954. So, I don't know. Look at it. See how it goes. Let me see if I can get them both at one hand so you'll be able to see it. Hey, look at that. 1954, the green one. 1953, the gray one. And look at that. Very, very nice. Both. I like those rims and tires. Those wheels are very nice. Not bad at all. M2s. Like I say, actually right now Walmart doesn't have much. My wife and I went over there and we didn't see too much. Fuimos a la tienda, nos encontramos esta verde y esta gris, pero casi no tiene nada. Mi esposa y yo fuimos y casi no hay nada. But we found this. Actually, we found the gray one. And since we already have the green one, might as well get the gray one too. Nos encontramos la gris, como ya tenemos la verde, pues hay que traernos la gris también. Really nice. What do you think? Keep following us. Luis Trujillo, Hot Wheels, Toys and much more. Síganos al canal de Luis Trujillo, juguetes, Hot Wheels, juguetes y mucho más. And this is it. Remember, that table. We have a couple more to swap those wheels, a bunch of them. Pretty soon, just keep checking us so you can see how easy it is without taking the car apart. Eventually, I will take some apart too, so you can see. I done it before and it looks pretty good too. Alrighty. See you soon, guys. Hasta pronto. Un abrazo. Adiós.